Good morning. I hope everyone is doing really well. I miss everybody. I miss seeing everyone every day. But I'm just excited to hop on and do some Play-Doh with you guys. This is my daughter Carly. She's going to help me today. And just like, I'm sorry.
Hi. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yes, St. Patrick's Day. Carly's all dressed up and ready to go. Just like in regular class, we are going to start our morning off with Play-Doh. And this week's theme actually is insects. So Carly and I thought it would be really fun, right, to make some insects out of Play-Doh.
Yeah.
So we've never done this before, but we're going to try.
Yeah, and insects don't sleep.
Insects don't sleep. That's information that Carly has learned, right? All right, so I'm going to start off with a caterpillar.
I'm going to start with a spider.
With a spider. All right, so let's just see how it goes. And then I thought we could be really silly and even make our own insects. We can create our own and get really creative.
Yeah, it's hard.
Do you need help?
I did this before.
We have a special visitor for all the students that have been dying to see Stewie. Here he is. All right, you got it open?
What?
All right, it's okay.
White. It's not a good one for Play-Doh, but...
And then you could start a new one. All right, so.
White. That's the way it's not going to be like...
I know all my students, every time we play Play-Doh, everyone likes to roll out a snake. So that's kind of how my my caterpillar is going to look.
I actually want to do that.
I'm just going to make little tiny balls.
That's not going to work. Is that okay if I share some with you?
Sure.
Oh, so you have to do it like that. I need
What do you guys think so far?
that looks pretty good. I just need like a roller. Could you get me a
roller?
Yeah. Let's get the real back.
We have some of our Play-Doh toys out. Here's our roller.
Gonna need it to this.
So I have this little guy here, and then I thought it would be fun. I have some little googly eyes.
Yeah.
So I can just stick some eyes on my caterpillar.
I need some. I'm gonna make some dots.
There we go.
I'm gonna do that.
All right.
Actually, I did color eyes for some reason. It's city.
I'm going to now try a bumblebee. Bumblebee is an insect that flies. So we don't have all the exact colors of actual insects, but that makes it fun. You can use whatever colors you want.
Yeah. I'm going to have like pink eyes, red eyes, and pink and yellow. So that's city, right?
That is
It
silly.
doesn't matter.
It's just about having fun. All right, this looks like a good body for the bumblebee, right?
Yeah.
And then I could just put some
googly eyes. There's no black. There's no
it doesn't matter, whatever you want. I'll use yellow.
I actually want to use Milk City.
All right, let's see. And since I don't have any black, and bumblebees are black and yellow, I'm just going to use a different color.
Pretty color, but it's the same.
Let's see.
I'm going to need... I'm going to lose like a... You did a green. Yeah, I think I should do that. It looks pretty. But this time I'm going to do a blue and a pink.
So now I kind of added some stripes to my bumblebee. What do you think?
Hey.
Okay.
I'm going to need this.
And what Carly also has is a few stamps. So if you little stencils like we use in school. So if you have some of these, you can even make insects for butterflies.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to try and make a butterfly myself. Let's see.
Butterfly by yourself? I can't really see how you did. I never did that before, so I'm not going to do that.
Oops. Okay. Flatten it out. Let's see. Now butterflies have wings, right?
Yeah, of course. Wings then like a fly. I saw like a white butterfly when I came home from when we take like a walk.
When we went on our walk, you saw a pink butterfly?
No, a white.
A white
one.
butterfly?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think I could have used the
Well,
white.
when the weather gets nicer, spring is coming, you guys can go outside and start looking for insects. But since it's a rainy day, I think it's a good day to make them out of Play-Doh movie later,
This
right?
is my first one.
Oh, very good.
I'm gonna do this one because it looked just like this one. I need a white one. Here we go.
And now I'm just going to take another color and make little circles and just decorate my butterfly's wings.
Uh-huh. And you could actually use more colors than that. Use all different kinds of colors. I'm going to make a white butterfly. Make a white butterfly. I'm going to make a pink and white butterfly. But yeah, this is hard.
All right, so leave it in there.
Yeah.
That's because I think that was modeling clay. And we can't forget the antennas.
Oh, yeah.
Butterflies need antennas.
What? I got what's antennas.
They
Oh.
go like right up here. Yep.
Yeah. This one doesn't have antennas.
I'm just going to do
That's why I
some
have to
rolling
move.
just to get the...
Yeah, good idea. Yeah, get some rolling to get... This is pretty. Little bumblebee.
All right, not too bad.
Okay, I need some... Looks like a pretty...
What do you guys think?
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
My butterfly?
Okay, that's fun.
And then, let's see.
Could you please help me?
Sure. Ooh, those are some pretty colors in there.
This is not even what I expected, but these are good colors.
Those are good colors. And then for my last insect, before we're done, I'm going to make a snail, which is something really easy. I think you guys will be able to do this at home because I know you all love to roll your Play-Doh like a snake, so that's going to be my method for this one.
Oh, that's kind of a good idea.
Okay,
This is going to be my second one.
we finish up because we're almost done.
I need to make a butterfly.
All right, making it nice and long. Wow, guys,
Make
look
it
at this.
hard.
And then I'm going to just roll it.
I want to do that. Oh, I don't try that. No, my butterfly.
What do you guys think? I think he would look cute with some eyes.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Wow, how did you?
One yellow eye and one red eye.
That's
Would be
good.
fun.
And then I need to,
All right, and now we have like a little snail.
yeah. And a little butterfly. It's pretty Play-Doh.
I really can't wait to see what bugs you guys create all on your own. Oh, look at Carly's butterfly. Great job.
Thanks.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. We hope you had a good time, and I can't wait to see what you make with your Play-Doh. So make sure you have Mommy or Daddy take a picture and show us, okay? Have a good day. Bye.